Namaste students. Today we will start our application part of HCF and LCM concept. Before going to start today's class, I want to ask few questions for you students. Please be ready. Yes, are you ready children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now my question to first question. There are how many? 5 students are there. For everyone, I'll ask one
Yes,
question
ma'am.
so that there is a small warm up to you students. We will start our new topic.
Okay.
Okay. Now my question to Sudisha. Sudisha, are you there, Nanu?
Yes, ma'am.
216 is divisible by what are the numbers? Either it is divisible by 2, 3, 4, or 5, or 6, or 7, or 8, or 9, or 10, or 11. Please let me know, Nana. Sudisha, am I
Ma'am
audible to you,
is
Sudisha?
ma'am.
Yes, 216. Your number is 216. Whether it is divisible by 2 or not, please let me know. Yes or no? Whether it is divisible by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Can you give the reason, Sudisha?
And because the any number has the number which is in two table.
Be louder, Sudisha. Can you please? Can you
Ma'am,
please?
the ending number has 16 or
Even
6.
number, very good. Ending number has even number, very good. So it is divisible. Now my question to Drona. Drona, Drona, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Drona, whether 216 is divisible by 3 or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Be
Yes, ma'am.
louder, Drona. I can't hear your voice.
It is, ma'am.
Yes or no?
It is, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is divisible. Can you give the reason?
Yes, ma'am. Because we should add up all the numbers, ma'am. 2 plus
Very
1,
good. If you sum up all the digits in the given number, which is
9.
exactly divisible by 3, so that it is divisible by 3. Very good, Drona. Next for
Because
4.
the,
Yadhar.
the 9,
Yadhar.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yadhar, whether the given number is divisible by 4 or not?
Ma'am,
What is divisibility rule of 4?
ma'am, you have to add up last two digits, ma'am.
Is it addition of last two
No,
digits or is it
no,
division of last two digits?
ma'am. Division,
Yadhar, be louder.
ma'am. Can you hear me,
I'm not getting your voice, Siddharth.
ma'am?
Hmm.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
If you see last two digits of 216, what are last two digits of 216?
Ma'am, 1 and 6, ma'am.
16.
Yes, ma'am.
16 is divisible by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes, it is divisible by 4. So, divisibility rule of 4 is satisfied.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
go to 5 rule. Jaydeep,
Ma'am, it is not divisible.
can you give reason quickly, Jaydeep?
Yes, ma'am, because the last digit is neither 0 nor 5.
Very good. It is neither 0 nor 5, so that it is not divisible. Very good. Next, my question to Lohini, are you there in the
Ma'am, she's not
Ashwath
there.
Reddy, are you there?
Ashwath is
Ashwath,
there, but his mic
Ma'am,
is not.
he said he'll answer in chat, ma'am.
Mike is. Can you give answer in the chat box, Ashwath Reddy?
Ma'am, he said, ma'am. He
Okay.
will.
So whether it is divisible by 6 or not, 216. Let me check the chat box. Ma'am, can you ask me a question? Right. I will type in chat. Right, Ashwath. Ashwath, your question is 216 is divisible by 6 or not? Can you please put in a chat box your answer?
He kept it's divisible, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's divisible, he said.
Ashwan, you
What?
have to give reason also.
Ma'am, he said it's divisible.
Yes, ma'am. He
Jaydeep,
said
what happened? What
divisible.
happened? Okay, look.
Ma'am, he said it is divisible by 2 and 3. Ma'am, that is why it's divisible by 6.
Very good. It is divisible by both 2 and 3. Both are true, so that it is divisible by 6. Now for me 7. 7, Sri Harsha Alluri, are you there? Chika's test. Please, Jaideep.
No, teacher.
Jaideep,
Ma'am,
is it?
Lohini joined, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Lohini, why too late you are?
I'm here.
Okay. Lohini, we are discussing about divisibility rules. Whether the given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rule we are discussing now. 7 rule we are discussing now.
Ma'am, she is in mute, ma'am.
Yes, children, Jaideep, can you give divisibility rule of 7?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this number is not divisible by 7 because if we twice the ones digit, which is in this case 6, if we double it, we will get 12, and if we subtract 12 from 21, it is 9, which is not divisible by 7.
Yes, very good. The units digit, if you twice the unit digit, 16, 6 twos are 12. 21 minus 12, how much children? 9. 9 will not go in 7 table, so it is not divisible, right? Next, go to the 8. Yes, Lohini, can you give the given number 216 is divisible by 8 or not?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes or no? Can you please, the given digit is divisible by 8 or not? 8 or not?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, I didn't get answer from Lohini. Yadath, can you give your answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 216, ma'am. You have to check
Then why I
last.
didn't unable to listen your voice today? What happened? Any network? Okay, let me. Are you able to listen my voice right now, Kiran?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, please give Yadath.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can
Ma'am?
hear you.
Ma'am, 216, ma'am. For
Hmm.
8 divisibility rule, we have to take last 3 digit, ma'am.
Okay,
216, ma'am. If it's
right.
divisible by 8, it's divisible, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So 216, 21625, yes, it is divisible, right? Very good. Now I'm getting answer from Ashwath, 9 divisibility rule. Yes, Ashwath, are you ready to give the answer for 9
Excuse me.
divisibility rule? Yes, Ashwath, are you there? Ashwath, you
Ma'am, he
Ma'am, he
are
said
said
it's
it's divisible.
divisible.
okay. Children, whenever Ashwath is giving response, please let me know. Yes. It is true. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 is exactly divisible, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
No,
Can
no,
I go to the restroom?
no. Is it divisible by 10 children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Because
Is
it's
it divisible by 11?
ma'am.
Ma'am, no.
No. Why? Because alternative digits you have to check.
Yes, ma'am.
8 plus 8 minus 1, 7. So it is not divisible. These are the divisibility rules. Very good, Nana.
Ma'am, can
Like
I go to the restroom?
Like that, you take today your admission number, check like that whether which rules your admission number will satisfy or not. That is today's work for you, children. Let me start an application part of LCM and HCF concepts today.
Ma'am, did you check my question paper, ma'am?
Yes, Jaideep, it's nice, very nice. We will discuss at the end 10 minutes, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Till where we completed our exercise part, children? 3.4. Yes. Where we completed. Yeah. Now, our children, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Exercise 3.4. We have common factors. I think common factors we completed, right, Nana?
Yes, ma'am, we completed, ma'am.
Multiples, common multiples.
Ma'am, that too also completed.
Okay. Co-prime numbers. Which are the following are co-primes? Co-primes means what, children? Co-primes means common factor is only 1. Co-primes means common factor should be common factor. Common factors, one as a common factor. Co-primes means only one as a common factor. Very good. Only one as a. Now here the questions are given for you. 18 and 35. Is 18 and 35 are co-primes, Nana? Jaydeep. What are the factors for 18? What are the factors for 18? 1, 2, 3, no 4, no 5, 6, no 7, no 8, 9 and 18. Coming to 35, we can write as 1, 2, 3, no, 4, no, 5, 7. Next, what are the numbers, Nana? 35. That's all. What is the common factor in these two? Only 1. Yes. 18 and 35 are co-primes. 18 and 35 are co-primes. Or else you can take with some more example, whether it is given co-primes or not, how you supposed to test means. You can do division method, children. You can find the HCF. If highest common factor should be 1. 18 ones are 18. So what is left over, Nana? 18 twos are 36, but 1 is less than that.
Ma'am,
17.
17.
Yeah. Here 17 ones are 17. 1 is left over. 117 one time. Sorry, 17 times 7, 0. The last divisor is the HCF. What is the HCF here? HCF is only 1. So it is co-primes. That is one more logic you're supposed to remember, children. If HCF is 1, then the given numbers are co-prime numbers. If HCF is given, HCF is 1, the given numbers are co-prime numbers. That is one more logic you're supposed to remember. Next question. In this, there are many bits are given to you. 15 and 37. Second bit is given as 15 and 37. Yes, children, is these two numbers are co-prime numbers?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because factors for 15 is nothing but 1, 5, 15. Whereas factors for 37 is a prime number. We have 1 and the number itself as a factor. So the given number is only common factors as only 1. Common factor is how much, Nana? Only 1. So 15, 37 are co-prime numbers. Are co-prime numbers. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
means in co-prime numbers, the common factor should be 1, and if it's 1, it will be
Yes.
right?
Yes, Lohini. If common factor is only 1 in that number, or HCF is 1, so that we can call those numbers as co-prime numbers.
Ma'am, all consecutive numbers are co-primes.
Exactly, wonderful point. I will write that all consecutive numbers are co-prime numbers. All consecutive అంటే ఏందన్నా?
Ma'am, side by side numbers.
Yes, consecutive numbers are co-prime numbers. Wonderful point. All consecutive numbers are co-primes. That means if you take any 2 and 3 are co-primes, 3 and 4 are co-primes, 5 and 6 are co-primes, 1000 and 1001 are co-primes. Consecutive numbers are co-primes. Very good. Next. Now can I give 1 or 2 bits so that you can give your reply through chat box? 30, 30 and 415. 30 and 415. Yes. This is 30 and 415 should given by Jaydeep.
Ma'am, I already said, ma'am.
Jaydeep, please give that whether it is a co-prime numbers or not.
Ma'am, it is a co-prime number.
30 and 415.
Yes, ma'am.
I think there is no, because it's not
Yes,
a
ma'am. It
co-prime
is
number.
divisible by 5. It is
5.
divisible by 5.
So
So
what?
it's not a co-prime.
Not a co-prime. Why 5 is a common, Nana? One is anyway, one is common, but if both the numbers are divisible by 5, so the given pair is not a
Co-prime.
yes, not a co-prime. Very good. Next for the Sudisha, please respond. Sudisha, yes,
Ma'am,
you
Sriharsha also joined, ma'am.
yeah, I will call. Sriharsha, why too late, Sriharsha, to the class?
Yes, ma'am. Were you asking me anything?
Okay. 17 and 68. Is it the numbers are co-prime numbers, Sudisha?
Ma'am, no.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Can you give the reason, Sudisha? What are the factors for 17? 1 and 17. Why? Because only 17 is a prime number.
Sorry, ma'am. 68 has a prime number too.
Is it co-prime numbers or not?
No, ma'am.
Let me check. Is it divisible by 3? No. 4 it is divisible. Is it divisible by 5? No. 6? No. 7? No. 8? No. 9?
No, ma'am.
10?
No, ma'am.
17 table, it is divisible to 17?
Yes, ma'am.
17 how many times 68, Nana?
Ma'am, 4 times.
Yes, 17 fours are 68. That's why you need a table. So here it is commonly divisible by 17 and 1768. Now what are the common factors here? 17 also common factor. Is it co-prime, Sudisha?
No, ma'am.
No.
Oh, sorry. No, no.
No. It is not a. It is
Co-prime.
not co-primes. Why? Because 17 is a common number. Next, Sri Harsha Alluri. Sri Harsha, please respond. Sri Harsha, 216 and 215. Now my question to Jaydeep. Jaydeep,
Yes, ma'am.
you gave one beautiful point over here. Can you add up your point here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as I told earlier that all consecutive numbers are co-prime numbers. These two are consecutive numbers, so they are co-primes.
Wonderful. 215 and 216 are continuous numbers, Nana. Consecutive means?
Back.
Yes, Sudisha.
Ma'am, I'll be right back.
Sudisha, is it co-prime numbers? Sudisha,
Can I go to restroom?
yes or no?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am, these both are co-prime.
Sudisha, I'm unable to reach you. Sudisha, so sorry.
Ma'am,
Can you please repeat?
ma'am, she's saying that can I go to the restroom?
Yeah. Okay, Sudisha. Now, Yadharth,
Ma'am, actually even
Yes, ma'am.
says those are co-primes, ma'am.
okay, yes, you go and come back, Nana. Yes, Ashwath is not because he is a network issue.
Ma'am, he
Here,
said, ma'am, may I answer, ma'am? He wants to
yes,
answer.
yes. 80, who is this calling? 81 and 16, Nana. Yes, Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth, please give the whether both numbers are co-primes or not. Yadav?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you give reason why it is yes?
Ma'am, because 16 is not common, ma'am.
Very good. So here for 16 there are factors
1,
2,
2,
4, 8. Yes, any other? 16.
yes,
For
ma'am.
81, what are the factors for 81, Nana? 1,
1,
3,
3,
6, 6, no 6, 7, right? 6 is possible or not?
7, ma'am.
ma'am, 6, no, ma'am. 6,
6,
Ma'am,
no.
6 no.
7 also no. 8, no. 9,
Ma'am,
9 nines are
ma'am,
18. Yes.
ma'am, 9, yes, ma'am.
So that what are the common factors over here?
Ma'am, only 1, ma'am.
So yes, can we say this 16 and 81 are co-primes?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Ma'am, no.
16 and 81 are co-primes or not? Yes.
Ma'am, they're not, ma'am.
Why they are not?
Ma'am, they are
Ma'am,
co-primes.
yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, they are co-primes. Only one has a common factor, Nana.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, they are co-primes. Yes, they are co-primes. Only
Okay,
one
ma'am.
is a common number. You see in the yes. Now, Ashwath Reddy, please respond, Ashwath Reddy, through chat box. A number is divisible by 5 and 12. A number is divisible by 5 and 12. 5 and 12. Which other number that will be divided always? See children, if any number is
Ma'am, he said
product
60,
of the number.
120.
Nana, product. Product, what is the product of 12 and 5, Nana?
Ma'am, 180, he said.
Nana,
Ma'am,
product.
160. Sorry, 60.
Ma'am, he said 60, 120, 180, 240 like
Yeah.
that.
12 fives are how much, Nana? 60. So the product is always divisible by, sorry, 5 and 12 is always divisible by the product 60 and 60 multiples, right?
Ma'am, even if they ask to another set which divides both 5 and 12 common multiples, ma'am, it is 2 and 10, ma'am. This set even divides all the common multiples of 5 and 12.
Exactly.
Ma'am, he's giving 16 stable, ma'am. 16, 120, 180, 240 like that, ma'am.
60, that's why I'm telling you, 60 multiples means what are the 60 multiples, Nana? What are 60
Ma'am, he
multiples?
said
Ma'am,
60,
60.
120, 180, 240, 300, 360, 420, 480, 540, 600. And
Yes,
so on multiples of 6.
yes, 60 multiples, 60 and 60 multiples. If any number divisible by the given numbers like 5 and 12, the other number will be always divisible by the product of those two numbers, Nana. That is the point you're supposed to remember. Product of those two numbers and its multiples. Next, you see the seventh one. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that numbers are divisible? A number is divisible by 12.
Ma'am,
Its factors, Kadanana.
ma'am, can I tell
Always,
you one thing, ma'am?
yes. By
Ma'am,
what other numbers will the numbers are divisible? Yes, please, I can hear you.
ma'am, if a number is divisible by 12, it is divisible by its factors.
Very
That
good.
is 1,
Any
2,
number
3,
is
4, 6,
divisible by
12.
the number means it's always divisible by its factors. Wonderful, wonderful. Very good.
Ma'am, even if there are two co-prime numbers, then their LCM is their product.
Exactly. HCF is 1, LCM is product of those two numbers. Very good. These are, you can observe from the numbers, Nana. That's why the chapter name it's playing with numbers. A number is divisible by 2, 12. So what other numbers it should be the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12, Nana?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
6,
6, and 12.
12, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
6 and 12. Leave this 1 and 12. These are the numbers. It's exactly divisible. You can try it also, children. This will be exactly divisible by 12. Exactly means remainder should be 0. Which exercise we are doing right now, ma'am?
Ma'am, exercise 3.4, last question, ma'am.
Ma'am, Ashwath is telling all the multiples of 12, ma'am.
Right. Exercise 3.4 last week. That's all the exercise, children. In this exercise, you always remember what are co-prime numbers, how to find co-prime numbers. HCF of co-prime numbers is always 1. These are the different points you're supposed to remember in this chapter. Now
Okay,
we will start anyway we completed prime factorization. Do you know how to find prime factorization, right, children? You know already we discussed in earlier
yes,
class
ma'am.
also. We'll go with one example, then we can go with another application part.
Okay, ma'am.
Listen carefully, children. Prime factorization. Every composite number can be expressed as product of prime numbers. Every composite number can be expressed as product of prime numbers. Prime factorization. In this, every number, whatever the number you take, suppose I'm taking number 12. What are the prime factors for number 12, Nana? 12, 6 are, then 2, 3s are. Then till prime number you have to stop and you multiply all the factors what you are getting. Even you express these numbers in exponential form as I said earlier. This can be written as 2 square into 3 also. This is the
Yes,
prime
ma'am.
factorization of your number 12. The same way, now my question to one student, quickly answer. 24. Yadharth,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please express 24 as a prime factorization?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, please tell, I will write on the
Ma'am,
screen.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 2 into 12, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, 6 into 2, ma'am.
2 into 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Always prime numbers you have to use, children, in prime factorization. If
Ma'am, 2
composite
into
number
3,
if you
ma'am.
write here 6 means it is wrong. Next.
Ma'am, 2 into 3, ma'am.
Yeah, can we stop over here? Why? Because
Yes, ma'am, because 3
prime
is
number
right.
happens. So how you supposed to write this?
Ma'am, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3.
Can you
Also, we can write 2 into 2 to the power
3?
3, ma'am,
Very good.
into 3, ma'am.
Very good. Now Sri Harsha Alluri. Sri Harsha Alluri. Sri Harsha, can you express 32 numbers
Ma'am,
as a product of prime factors?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes, please. Tell Sri Harsha,
am I
I'm listening.
counting?
I can hear you. Please tell. Sri Harsha, I can hear you. Please tell.
Ma'am,
Uh, Can I take with which least prime number I supposed to take? Can I take with 2? Yes, Drona, please respond, Drona.
ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell Harsha.
Ma'am, ma'am, it's 8. Ma'am, it's 16, ma'am.
Very good, 16. Yes, next.
Ma'am, next one is 2 into 8, ma'am. Next one is 2 into 4. Ma'am, next one is 2 into 2, ma'am.
Can I stop
Ma'am,
here?
32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2.
Yes. So can I write how I supposed to express this as an exponential form or power notation? Yes. 2 how many times repeated here? 2 how many times repeated?
5 times, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So how
5
we
times.
supposed to write, Drona? 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. Very good. Now, Drona, please respond, Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
42. Can you tell prime factors for 42?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's divisible by 2 because 2
Very
is,
good. It is divisible by 2. So, half of 42 entanana?
ma'am,
Ma'am, 21.
21.
20,
Very good. Yes,
20,
Harsha, sorry, Drona, which table 21 is divisible?
3, ma'am.
3 how many times 21?
7, ma'am.
Hmm?
And 3 7 are 21, ma'am.
Can I stop here? 7 is a prime number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are the factors for 42? Prime factors?
2 and 3, ma'am.
2, 3,
And
7. Or else if you put dot or else you can put multiplication symbol also. Both are same symbol. Very good. Very good, Drona. Now my question to who are there? Yes, Ashish and Lohini. Are you there, Lohini?
Yes.
Lohini, please, what are the prime factors for 68? 68. Please tell the same way how they are students are told. 68, which is the prime factor, least prime number?
2, ma'am.
Yes, how many times 68 you will get? 2 how many times? 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are, very good, 34 times. Yes, which number I supposed to take next?
34.
34 will divisible by 2. Can I take again 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Half of 34. Yes. 2 means divide with 2 means half of 34. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 17 2 times. Yes, is a 17 is a prime number. What are the prime factors for 68, Nana?
2 into 2. 2 into 2.
2
7.
into 2 and prime number. This also you're supposed to write, Nana. Yes. 17. So this, if you want to express as a power rotation, you can write like that also. Both are correct. Yes, you got Lohini.
Yes, ma'am.
Sudisha, are you there, Sudisha?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the prime factors for 56? Come on, make it fast, Sudisha. Yes, yes, please tell children. Come on.
Ma'am,
Wait, Edartha. Sudisha will
okay, ma'am.
respond. Because I know that you, Jaideep and Ashish Reddy are perfect with this concept. Even Sri Harshal.
Uh,
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
ma'am, there 1.
Yes. Which table I should take first?
Ma'am, 1.
No, 1. 1 you supposed to take the same number only you will get. You see, go with the 2.
2, ma'am.
2 how much? 56. You just imagine, Nana, if you are dividing with the 2 means, suppose you have 56 6 chocolates with you, half of 56, how much? 50 half 25, 3 half 3, the 6 half 3. So 25 plus 3 enta, Nana?
Ma'am, 25. 28, ma'am.
28. Again, shall I divide with the 2 table?
Yes.
Come on.
Ma'am, 14.
Very good. Next, shall I go with two table?
Yes, ma'am.
How many times?
Sir, ma'am.
Sudhisha?
7.
7 times. So what are the factors, prime factors for 2?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 2 into 2 into
ma'am,
Yes, Harsha.
ma'am, here in chat this is coming something, ma'am, and they sending in something messages from me. Ma'am,
Wait,
your
I will
voice is
check. I will check. Who is giving? Yes, this is okay. Yadharth, no, Ashwath, we can't see you. It's fully black. Okay.
Ma'am, it
Wait,
says Sriharsha sent it like, ma'am, your voice is not clear, so you don't have to worry about your email.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
What
I don't
email?
know, ma'am. That's it. It is something with this typing, ma'am. Your voice is not clear, but it is coming in like something, ma'am.
oh, why it is happening like that?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it could be maybe a glitch.
ma'am, it's because of my wire, ma'am. The rubber one, ma'am. I'm on typing, but some words will come, ma'am. The
Okay,
president
okay.
sent, but
Let me. But I'm clear for other students. Yes, children, is it so?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear your voice.
Okay, right. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Very clear.
Okay, thank you, thank you. And maybe Sriharsha network may be issue, so that he can happens like that. Sriharsha,
ma'am,
yeah, you have to express this in power notation. No, Sudisha should supposed to give. Yeah, Sudisha.
Yeah.
2, how many times 3 is repeated? 3 times. 2 cube multiplied with 7.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, I find it.
Okay. Now my question to Ashish. Ashish, there is
Ma'am,
a
who
big
is
question.
ma'am? Who is Ashish?
Ashish is there.
Ma'am, it is Ashwath.
Ma'am, who is Ashish?
Got the answer.
Yeah. What is the
Ma'am,
answer?
can you hear me, ma'am?
Ma'am, the answer is 42.
Ashwath, we can hear you.
Ma'am, the answer is 42.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, the answer is 42.
Which answer you are telling, Sudhisha?
Ma'am, for 2 into 2 into 2 into 7.
56 prime factors I'm asking Sudhisha, is 48 is a prime number? Why you did not get the point? Many times I'm giving, many examples I'm giving.
No, ma'am, it is not a prime number.
Yeah. Now my question to Ashish, yes, Ashwath Reddy, 980. What are the prime factors for 980 should give? And Jaydeep should give 1050 prime factors. And Yadharth should give 765 prime factors. These are the bits. Please send quickly in the chat box.
Ma'am, what did you say? Ma'am, mine.
Jaydeep, this is for Yadharth. No, this is for Ashish, I think. Ashwath Reddy.
Ma'am, that's Ashwath, ma'am, not
Yes,
Ashish.
Ashwath Reddy, Jaydeep, and Yadharth.
Ma'am, what are the questions, ma'am?
980 for Ashwath Reddy and 1050 for Jaydeep, 765 for Yadharth.
Ma'am, what do you have to find?
Prime factors, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Yes, Sudhisha?
Ma'am, done.
Yes,
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Jaydeep, any problem?
No, ma'am, completed.
Yeah, please give your factors, Jaydeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Jaydeep, 1050.
Yes, ma'am, I'm sending.
Okay. Tell or else tell, I will write on the screen.
Ma'am, it is 2 into 5 into 3 into 5 into 7.
Into 5 into 7. Instead of this, how we supposed to write, Jaydeep? 2, 5, 3, second number order wise 3, then 5 can be written as 2 times, so we can take as 5 square 2. I think what you are doing is correct, Jaydeep. 35, 3 times 70, 105. Right, Jaydeep, you are correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, I want answer from Ashwath Reddy, whether he is giving or not. Let me check in the chat box because he is not responding today.
Ma'am, he said that he needs some time.
Okay. Jaydeep, what about Edarth?
Ma'am, I'm slow at typing a bit, ma'am. So I
Edarth,
don't.
are you ready with your answer?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I'm
Make it
writing.
fast, Nana. Make it fast so that we can go with the next part. Okay, children, today you have to take some more your own examples and practice the prime factorization of those numbers. You take any 5 examples and try it. Okay?
Okay,
And
ma'am.
tomorrow we'll go with the HC
Okay.
concept, and you can go with the 3.5 exercise, children. It's a very basic thing. If your
Ma'am,
number,
already done, ma'am.
very good. If your number is divisible by 3 means, it must be divisible by 9. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, false.
Why? Because it should be divisible by 9 means exactly we can say it should be divisible. Yes, it is divisible by 3, but it is reverse. So it is
Yes, ma'am.
next. If a number is divisible by 9, it must be divisible by 3.
Ma'am, true.
Yes, ma'am. True.
Next, a number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by both 3 and 6.
Ma'am, true, ma'am.
True.
Yes,
Why?
ma'am.
Because factors always divisible. We know that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. If a
Like
number,
6 also, ma'am. 2 and 3.
very good. If a number is divisible by 9 and 10 both, it must be divisible by 90.
Ma'am, true.
Yes,
Why?
ma'am.
Because it's always divisible with product of the numbers 2, 9,
Yes,
10.
ma'am. 9 into 10 is 19.
If two numbers are co-primes, at least one of them must be prime.
Ma'am, false.
Ma'am, false, ma'am.
Very good. All numbers which are divisible by 4 must be also divisible by 8.
Ma'am, false.
False. All numbers which are divisible by 8 must be also divisible by 4. It's true.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because greater number. Yeah. 8. Next. If a number is exactly divisible, divides two numbers separately, it must be exactly divides their sum.
True, ma'am.
Very
Yes, ma'am.
good.
True.
Very good. You take 12 and 24. One example, children. 36. 36 is always divisible by 3. Yes, it is 12. Yeah, if your number is exactly divide the sum of two numbers, it must be exactly divided with two of the numbers separately.
Ma'am, false.
It is false. There is a tree diagram is given in your textbook, children. I'll draw on the screen. One by one student. I call Sudisha. Please, I call your attention. I call attention of Sudisha. Please respond. Yes, are you
Ma'am,
there?
she said, can I go to the restroom, ma'am?
Okay, Sudisha. Why, Sudisha? Is it any scare to talk with the teacher?
Ma'am, I didn't just type anything in the chat or didn't say anything.
Yeah, Sudisha, I want. Yeah, you supposed to go, but please answer this question and then you leave, ma.
Ma'am, there's nothing like that, ma'am. I just didn't even type or I didn't even speak out.
Okay.
Ma'am, Ashwath sent his question answer, ma'am, in chat.
Okay.
So what should I do, ma'am?
Yes, Sudisha, please What is the unknown numbers in this tree? What are the unknown numbers?
This is the question mark of 2, ma'am.
Where is it 2 times 6?
Ma'am, 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10.
Very good. That's all. This is one tree over. Then coming to the Drona, are you there?
And we can also write 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 5.
Exactly. Drona, are you there? Please respond, Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
30. This is unknown. We don't know. This is a question mark. Then,
Hello?
yes.
Hello?
Yes. Ashwath, I can hear you.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. Ashish, Ashwath Reddy, I can hear you. Are you there? Ashwath, are you there?
Ma'am, he said he has mic problem, but he spoke once, ma'am.
Yeah, maybe he is testing whether it is happening or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Okay, anyway, Sri Harsha, please respond.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can
You
hear you, Ashwath
me, ma'am.
Reddy.
Yes.
Ma'am, you
Yes, ma'am. Did you call me, ma'am?
Yeah, I called for unknown things. Please, unknown numbers.
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you-
Ma'am, 30, after 30, it will come 2, ma'am. In the
Very
first
good.
question mark.
32 times 60. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Then in the other one, it will come 3, ma'am.
Very good. 10 3 times 30.
And then in the other one, there will come 2 and 5.
2 5s are 10. Wonderful. Good.
Ma'am, according to the homework, you told that do five problems on what, ma'am?
Prime factorization. Nana. Take your own examples of own numbers. Whether it
So,
is,
ma'am, I'll practice
can
now.
we express all the numbers, composite numbers or prime numbers or not? You check and come back with your answer.
Ma'am, all
Any number, all composite numbers, we know that all composite numbers can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. You take any 5 prime number, not 5 numbers, not prime numbers, any 5 numbers, please express those as a prime factors. Okay, children, that's all for the
can
day.
I tell?
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I tell some?
Tell Nidar, tell.
Ma'am, 25, ma'am.
Yes,
21,
yes,
10, ma'am.
okay.
There is also 14.
Okay, can I write on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the numbers? Can you please tell?
Ma'am, 10, 15,
10, 15,
Ma'am,
10,
21.
15, 25.
20, 25.
Ma'am, 21.
Not 20, ma'am. 25 only.
What more?
Ma'am, and also 35 and 14 also and 28 also.
Okay, 28, 30, 40. Okay.
Ma'am, and
Ma'am,
21, ma'am. 21 also, ma'am.
21.
Ma'am, if you multiply two numbers, two prime numbers, we'll get these numbers, ma'am. Like 3 into 7 is 21. 2 into 5 is 10. 3 into 5 is 15. 2 into 5 is 20.
Very good. Very
Uh,
that
2
means you are
5 into 5 is 25.
very good. You are expressing
3
as if
5
prime numbers. Prime
5 into 7 is 35.
Very good.
2 into 7 is 28.
Yes.
5 into 2 into 3 is 30.
Okay. Okay, children. Okay, very good. Please take like that and apply your prime factors, how you're supposed to find for the numbers. Try with big numbers, Nana. Don't try with the small numbers like 2-digit numbers. Go with the 3 and 4-digit numbers. How it happens, you're supposed to take any 5 numbers and try. That's all for the day, children. I'll end up the session.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, children. See you. Take
Thank you,
care.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day ahead.
Ma'am, another number.